Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset MT4 or MT5 platform to default setting. So if you've modified a lot of settings here on MetaTrader and you want to reset it to the default setting, it is extremely simple. Just head over to the application right here, click on File, and then you want to navigate through the Open Data folder. Inside this page, we then have this folder called BB16 or anything right here. You can just navigate through the previous folder, which is going to be terminal. And inside this page, you want to simply delete the folder that we are on just now, which is going to be this one. Now, before doing this, you want to make sure that you have closed your MetaTrader. As you can see, this is my current setting right now. And if I delete, everything will then reset to normal. Basically, if you delete this folder, this has everything, and that includes your settings, your accounts, and more. If you delete this, MetaTrader will then detect that there's no file or folder on the terminal folder right here, which will then create a new one that's going to be the default. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.